Oo, baka ganun, Jessery. I'm kinda busy right now, that's why. You're welcome. I didn't the room phones. Worry, I can pick them up if I am not busy. Hi, Dad. It's just a blink of an eye. Oh, this world's snow. You could lose everything. Hindi na namin to ibebenta kasi mahal na to. Thank you so much. Hindi na namin to ibebenta, Jezreel, kasi mahal na to. Ngayon. Hindi na, wala nang mabibiling antik ngayon eh. Mahirap. Meron naman, pero mahal na. Masyado nang mahal. Pati mo naman ako ibebenta. You could lose everything. The truth is, the truth will never know. So I guess remember antik, mahal ang antik. Mahal ang antik dito sa amin. Ang mga antique is like a gold. It's an investment. Lalo na sa mga museum. Sa mga museum, gusto nila to. Thanks, Vince. Gusto nila yan. So I kiss you longer, babe. And you just let it go. Now look at me with no regrets. I like this shirt so much. Look. I've been wearing this since I was in high school. So I guess I'm a baby. Let's take our chance to say what we have. Use what we got.